Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
When Honor introduced its dual super concept to the 500 series, it wasn't just tweaking another lineup, it was redefining what a mid-range phone could be. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Honor upgraded the entire chain from deep-level computing power to the overall user experience. And of course, everything starts with the core hardware. This time, the whole series is powered by Snapdragon 8 series flagship chips. And remember, this is only an early hands-on overview. I'll be posting a full in-depth review once the phones officially launch. The regular Honor 500 comes with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, focusing on energy efficiency and stability. The Pro version steps things up with a higher Snapdragon 8 series processor, offering stronger raw performance and snappier responses. Since both are part of Qualcomm's flagship lineup, users no longer have to choose between power and performance. Even mid-range buyers can now enjoy flagship-level speed and smoothness. But what really sets the Honor 500 series apart? How much of a leap forward is it? To answer that, we have to look at what it feels like in real use. Based on these flagship chips, I've boiled it down to two defining traits: speed and stability. Let's start with speed. The upgraded performance instantly shows in faster app loading times and quicker startup, so daily tasks feel effortless and delay-free. And this power isn't just for scrolling through apps or snapping photos. Sure, it takes great pictures, but the real highlight for me is gaming. With Honor's Phantom Engine 3.0, the phone can actually predict potential frame drops and pre-render virtual frames to keep visuals steady and lifelike. Even during intense gameplay, frame rates barely budge. That's a true flagship experience in action. The high computing power also improves touch response. With faster touch sampling and optimized touch algorithms, the latency gets surprisingly close to what you'd expect on a PC. Thanks to mobile-level DLSS with AI Super Frame and AI Super Resolution features, your in-game actions, combos, aim adjustments, camera moves feel more precise and less error-prone. Even picture quality improves by giving you a more refined gaming experience overall. In day-to-day use and gaming tests, I've noticed that the chip's power is used intelligently. It feels steady, quick, and adaptable instead of aggressively pushing performance. But the dual super experience isn't just about raw power. The 200-megapixel AI ultra-clear main camera combines upgraded hardware with Honor's self-developed algorithms to produce photos that look natural, detailed, and true to life. No over-sharpening, no artificial effects. Transitions are smooth, and it supports crisp 4K live image shooting. The phone also includes 6 live film filters for both the front and rear cameras, giving you more creative control. Live portrait mode can collage up to 9 shots at once, making one-click dual collage and triple outline effects incredibly easy. It's a surprisingly useful feature. Maybe not something you'll use every day, but when you need it, it's a lifesaver. The design also deserves a mention. The seamless cold glue process blends the screen, frame, and back into one smooth, polished piece. No harsh edges or visible cuts. It feels light, refined, and comfortable in the hand. In the end, these upgrades aren't about chasing specs. They're about delivering a better overall experience. And this time, Honor really delivers the level of quality and sincerity that users can feel in everyday use.